Hey y'all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's going to be an eyebrow tutorial. I'm going to use two different products to do my eyebrows, and you guys can choose which one you like the best. I'm going to go in with my Anastasia Dip Brow Pomade in the shade Ebony, and I'm just using this eyebrow brush that I use every day to fill in my eyebrows. I'm starting at the end, and I'm going to work my way towards the top. Not the top, the front. With the Anastasia Dip Brow Pomade, you want to go in with a light hand because this product is very pigmented, I can say. And you don't want your eyebrow to look super harsh or just not natural. And at the front of my eyebrow, I just like to go in with light strokes just so it creates the illusions that I have little hairs at the front of my eyebrows and it looks a little bit more natural. And once I have my eyebrow filled in to my liking, I'm going to go in with my Tape Shake Concealer in the shade Deep. I like using this concealer because it is a lot closer to my skin tone, so it makes it look a lot more natural. I'm also cleaning up the top of my brow. This is optional. You don't have to do this. A lot of people don't do this. But I just like cleaning up the top end of my brow. And now I'm going to go in with my blending brush just to blend out that concealer. Okay, once that brow is done, I'm going to go in on the other brow, but this eyebrow I'm going to be using the Anastasia Brow Wiz in the shade Dark Brown. This product is a little bit more precise and it gives you more control. And again, I'm just going to start at the end of my eyebrow and work my way towards the front. Okay, and I'm going to comb the front of the eyebrow off with the spoolie that is also on the brow wiz on the other end. Now I also did go in on my other brow just to fill in the front a little bit. I'm just going to go back in with the Tape Shake Concealer just to clean it up. This is how the end look came out. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe if you would like to see more videos. And don't forget to follow me on all my social media handles. Thank you.